Delhi BJP President Vijay Goyal said if the power tariff is increased this year, the party will go on an indefinite strike. He would announce date on the Bijli Andolan rally in Ramlila Maidan on the day the tariff is increased. He said the DISCOMs and the Delhi government have been putting excessive burden on the people of Delhi. He said regular increasing of electricity charges by the Delhi government is an injustice to the local residents of Delhi. He said the DRC is poised to increase the power tariff once again.
The way the government is doing injustice with the people of Delhi is by raising the electricity charges. Now it is out of tolerance. Once again, DRC is going to increase the charges of electricity. They have sought the statistics of ARR from power companies.
He said he has written to DRC chairman P.D. Sudhakar on issues like data, balance sheet, accounts, etc. And if a satisfactory answer was not furnished, he would protest in front of DRC office on March 21.
I have written a letter to the chairman of DRC, P.D. Sudhakar, and raised the questions on the data, balance sheet, accounts, etc. provided by power companies. I have given him the time of 4 days to give satisfactory reply on those questions. Otherwise, on 21st, we will protest in front of DRC office.
He said his draft could be easily understood by the common man on the fraud committed by DRC and the Delhi government.
In today's press conference, I have prepared the text in a way so that even a common man can understand how power companies are doing fraud together with DRC and Delhi government.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.